this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix iPhone slow after update. Let's get started. First, understand that right after a major update, your iPhone runs background processes like indexing, optimizing apps, and reorganizing system data. This can temporarily slow down performance. So the first thing you want to do is give a device some time, usually 24 to 48 hours while it completes these background tasks. Next, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can clear temporary system glitches and immediately improve performance. You should also check your storage because low storage can significantly slow down your device. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. You can delete or offload the unused apps. Next up, you want to close unused apps running in the background. While iPhone manages memory well, too many active apps can still affect performance. Go to Background App Refresh and you can disable for the app that you don't use often. You can also improve speed by turning on Reduce Motion. For that, head back. Navigate to the option Accessibility, go to Motion and toggle on for the option Reduce Motion. Next up, make sure your all apps are updated. For that, launch App Store. Click on your profile icon, click on the option App Updates and click on Update All. Older app versions may not fully be optimized for the new iOS. A final step is resetting settings without erasing data, which can fix hidden configuration issues causing lag. In most cases, performance improves naturally after a short period as the system finishes optimizing in the background. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.